Hello student, now today we are going to start 6.2 exercise. Okay, so student क्लास स्टार्ट करने के पहले मैं आपको 6.2 का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है दैट इज ट्रांसवर्सल वो आपको एक्सप्लेन करना चाहता हूँ. So student, what do you mean by transversal? Okay, so when two lines, okay, when two straight line is intersect by third line, so this is a third line is called transversal. Okay, so इसमें ट्रांसवर्सल के पीछे एक कॉन्सेप्ट छुपा हुआ है कि डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एंगल्स. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. देखिए स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इज फर्स्ट वन इज वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. So student, how many that is angle 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So what do you mean by vertically opposite angle? Okay, so that means opposite angle. Okay, so this one 1 and 3, angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angle. Angle 2 and 4, that is also vertically opposite. 5 and 7 and 6 and 8, that means these are the angle vertically opposite angle, and vertically opposite angle is always equal to each other. Second one is interior angle. What is interior angle? So interior angle, that means ki internally angle. So this is this 4 and 5, 3 and 6. That means 4 and 5 interior angle है and 3 and 6 are interior angles. Okay, that means जो अंदर वाले angles होते हैं उनको interior angles बोलते हैं. What is exterior angle? Exterior, that means outer side angle 1 2 7 8. So 1 2 7 8 are exterior angle. So 1 का पेयर बनेगा स्टूडेंट 8 के साथ and 2 का पेयर बनेगा 7 के साथ. Okay, fine. So these are the three concepts, and next one is alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. So what is alternate interior? That means interior की बात हो रही है और alternate. So that means 3 4 5 6 these are the interior angle. But alternate की बात करते हैं तो 3 and 5 and 4 and 6. 3 and 5 and 4 and 6. These are the alternate angle. Okay, fine. So alternate exterior angle. What is alternate exterior? 1 7 2 and 8. 1 7 2 and 8. These are the alternate exterior angle. Now next one is corresponding angle. So student, corresponding, that means एक ही side के angle 1 5 2 6. That is 1 5 2 6 4 8 3 and 7. These are the main concept of transverse. Okay, student, so now next we are going to start exercise 6.2. So let's see. So student, this is a question number 1. 6.2. In the figure, find the value of x and y and show that AB parallel CD. So student, given figure, so this is the AB and CD. There are two lines and 50 degree x and y are interior angles and that is 130. Okay, so student, how to solve this? So since angle Y and 130 are vertically opposite angle, so student, all vertically opposite angle are always equal to each other. So y equal to 130 degree. Okay, done. Now next, and here x and 50 are on straight line, that means linear pair. So here x and 50 degree are linear pair, and sum of linear pair is always 180. So x plus 50 plus 180 degree. So what is the value of x? 180 minus 50 degree. That means x equal to 130. Okay, so student, this is x and y are equal. So हम बोल सकते हैं here alternate interior angle is same on line AB and CD, so that AB and CD are parallel line. Okay, so hence AB parallel CD. Okay, so student, अगर इंटीरियर एंगल्स, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स अगर आपको वैल्यू बराबर देते हैं, दैट मींस जिस लाइन पे बने होंगे वो लाइंस हमेशा पैरेलल लाइंस होंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Now student, this is the second question. Okay, so what is second question? In figure, if AB parallel CD and CD parallel EF, ये जो AB लाइन है वो CD के पैरेलल है एंड CD जो लाइन है वो EF के पैरेलल है, एंड Y रेशियो Z, दैट मींस Y एंड Z का जो रेशियो है 3:7, तो आपको X का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, फाइन. So we are given that both lines are parallel, okay, to each other. So and ratio given, that is Y ratio Z equal to 3:7. So let angle Y, एंगल्स को मैंने A मान लिया, अगर रेशियो दिया है तो Y इक्वल टू हो जाएगा आपका 3A एंड Z हो जाएगा 7. ओके, बिकॉज गिवन रेशियो दैट इज 3:7. सो आप जानते हैं कि जो सेम लाइन पर ट्रांसवर्सल होते हैं, ये जो ट्रांसवर्सल से जो सेम साइड पे जो एंगल्स बने होते हैं उनका टोटल एक सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल होता है, दैट मींस 180 डिग्री. So student, x plus y equal to 180 degree. Okay, fine. And x and z are alternate interior angles. Okay, so x का वैल्यू z के बराबर होगा. So that means x के प्लेस में हम z का वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हैं. So z plus y equal to 180. So what is the value of z? That is 7a. What is the value of y? That is 3a. 7 plus 3 तो 10a. एंड e इक्वल टू 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो e का वैल्यू 18 आ गया. नाउ नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज z? z इज 7. तो 18 7 जा 126 एंड x का जो वैल्यू था वो z के बराबर था, बिकॉज़ बोथ एंगल्स आर अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. सो x का वैल्यू 126 एंड व्हाट इज y? y इक्वल टू 3, दैट मींस 18 3 जा 54. ओके, so student, this is the fifth question. Third and fourth, it is similar to the first and second. So this is the fifth question. Okay, and let's see. So what is question number 5? In this given figure, AB and CD both lines are parallel, and given that APQ, that is this APQ, that is 50 degree, and PRD, that is 127. And find the value of x and y. Okay, so student, here APQ, that is APQ, this angle and this angle, that is opposite, that means vertically opposite या alternate interior angles. Okay, that is alternate interior angle. So जो वैल्यू APQ का है that is 50, वही वैल्यू किसका होगा, x का होगा. So that means x equal to 50 degree. Okay, fine. Now next, and PRD, that is PRD and APR. APR, this is this APR, this angle and this angle, both are alternate interior angle. Okay, so student, this is 127, this value is similar to this value. Okay, so this is 127 and APR equal to what is this, QPR, that is this. APR क्या है, इन दोनों का टोटल है. So 50 plus y equal to 127. Okay, that means y plus 50 equal to 127. This angle and this angle are alternate interior angles. Okay, that is APR equal to 127. So that means 127 equal to y plus 50. So transfer कर दिया हमने 50 को, तो y का वैल्यू 77. So student, this is our fifth question and last question number is 6. It is similar to the fifth question. So student, this exercise will be finished. Okay, thank you so much.